Hello everyone. In this video, we will know about how to use the referral code and also how may I purchase a new package or a plan I'm looking for. So first you'll have to log in from here, and once you log in, you'll see a page like this and your profile details. Now when you go to the pricing page, you'll see all the various options which are available for you. So for the new users discount, we have currently 12% active in our cart. And here I have four types of packages. One is individual. These are small plans we have created. The combo, which includes two, three, or multiple plans at the same time. This is a monthly package which will be applicable for 1 month. And this is an email alerts only in which daily and weekly newsletters will be received. For each of them, we may see the plan details over here that what all are included in the respective plan. So individual and income tax, we have these all inclusions. In the combo plan for all-in-one suppose, we have everything included, be it direct tax, what is all coming under indirect, direct, all of it will be included in the all-in-one package. Now, the first step is to first identify what type of a plan you want to take. Is it an individual, a combo, or a monthly plan? So, suppose I want to take an income tax plan, it will get added to my cart and it will show it up here. Income tax 1 year limited logins plan. Now, I have three types of filters which I can apply: individual, combo, 1 year or 2 year plan, unlimited or unlimited logins plan. So I may choose for 2 years plan unlimited logins, and it will update the price here and the logins which are applicable. So suppose I choose income tax, and from combo I may choose corporate close package suppose. So here it will update that income tax selected 2 years unlimited, corporate laws 2 years unlimited. Now, once I have selected for 2 years unlimited, I may not switch my filters because only a certain type of filters is allowed at the same time. You may not have one package for 1 year and another for 2 years selected in your cart. So, to begin from the start, you'll have to clear your cart and then you'll have an option to switch. Suppose I want to go back from to 1 year with limited logins plan. I'll add all in one package to my cart, or I may do this. I'll add income tax plus GST and corporate laws. Then I go to my cart. It is already suggesting me that instead of doing these three packages, I can add all in one package and I'll save this much. So okay, let us replace with all in one package. This is the PO number which will be included in all the invoices. Referral code is a new scheme we have gotten here, in which the referral and the referee will get a certain amount of the subtotal. So for now it is 4% that we are giving. So if I have a referral code this and I apply, it is saying extra 4% discount has been applied using this code. The discount that I am getting will be reflected over here. So earlier the amount was 35,000 something, and now it has updated. I additionally have a discount code for now, which is flat 12% for all the new users. So if I apply this as well, this has further reduced the amount which is present in the card. Now I may click on the checkout. Before proceeding with the pay button, I would recommend to first check the plan which you have selected is properly reflecting here. All in one package, limited logins for 1 year. This is what I have taken. This was the initial subtotal. On that, we have gotten two types of discount and the GST is applicable over here. Now I have two options, either offline payment and online payment. However, if I choose the online payment option, it will take me to the HDFC payment gateway, which is a very secure payment gateway method. Additionally, one more thing you may do here is to download the Proforma invoice if required in your case. So once we have clicked on the pay button, it has taken me to the HDFC payment gateway method. Here I'll have a few options via which I may pay to the company, either by card or UPI. and the net banking method. So when the payment is successfully done, a payment success page like this will be shown where the amount received will be present and a message will be shown which says that kindly log out and re-log in to see the subscribed content. So you will be able to see the updated details in my invoices and the my subscriptions column which I'll be showing you. But to see the content which you have subscribed for that you will have to log out first, and this is just a one time thing which you'll have to do. Rest it will update it automatically. So either you may go to my view invoice or simply go to home, go to my profile, and in my subscriptions you can see that the subscription which you have taken will be updated here. Earlier I showed you that how you can use someone else's referral code and how both of you will get 4%. Now here I will show you that how you can create your own referral code, and on creation upon and on creating that, how you may share it and how you may use it with your friends. So this shows that points worth 4% will be given to both of them, and 1 point is equal to 1 rupees. Here are all the terms and conditions regarding to the referral points which will be generated, and I may generate my code and then share with others. Thank you.